The Candy Nebula is a dual-lobed planetary nebula located in the constellation Gemini. At around 10,000 years old, this is a relatively old planetary nebula. This nebula was discovered by the Anglo-German astronomer William Herschel on March 12, 1785. However, its double-winged or double-breasted shape confused him, leading the great scientist to assume that he was looking at two separate nebulae. The Danish astronomer John Louis Emil Dreyer also believed this, so the Candy Nebula was catalogued in the new main catalog as two entries, under the different numbers NGC 2371 and NGC 2372. Other proper names for this nebula include the Gemini Nebula, Peanut Nebula, and Double Bubble Nebula. The Candy Nebula is believed to be between 3,800 and 4,400 light-years distant. At the center of the Candy Nebula lies an object with an estimated temperature of approximately 100,000 Kelvin. It could be either a white dwarf or a hot subdwarf. Given that the type of central object cannot yet be precisely determined, the nebula's origin cannot be determined with any certainty. It is hypothesized that the nebula's symmetrical double-headed or double-breasted shape may indicate that it formed as a result of the collision or surface contact of two stars, one of which was in its giant stage. Given that a second companion has not yet been detected, it could also be a giant planet or a brown dwarf. Be that as it may, the mysteries and hypotheses surrounding the Candy Nebula do not prevent it from being one of the most widely observed objects by amateur astronomers in the Northern Hemisphere.